Hello, so today we're cooking the most natural and easy to make candies. We need prunes, walnuts and sour cream. We are putting walnuts inside our prune and serving it on the top with sour cream. So here is our prunes with nut inside, and I'm serving it with sour cream on the top. It's possible to add some sugar to sour cream, it's possible to use double cream, but I think it will be just heavier and not natural because of the sugar. And this combination is, I think, very healthy, very tasty, and you are eating sweets, but you know that it's good for your health. So all is done. It takes for me in total 5 minutes. You should try this. It's really healthy, it's really tasty, and if you want to look beautiful, to feel nice, this is best candies in the world for you.